Hello and welcome, this is Sohaib here, and in this video we are going to be discussing the new launch by DAMAC. For the first time ever, DAMAC has introduced studio apartments in DAMAC Riverside. We're talking about a 11 million square feet of a community located on Emirates Road. You are right next to world's largest airport. Well, the theme of the community is you are having a river running in between the buildings and you have a lagoon right in the middle of townhouses and villas. In this video, we are going to be discussing in detail prices, sizes, layouts, and most importantly the payment plan, as the developer claims it to be 0.25% per month. Like for a studio, it comes around like 1500 dirhams per month. Like we're talking about a starting price of around 628,000 dirhams for a studio, and one bedroom is going to be starting anywhere between 1 million dirhams. So talking about the history of DAMAC Riverside, we were having last year only townhouses, 4 and 5 bedroom townhouses, and the starting price was around 2.3, 2.4 million dirhams, which is completely sold out right now. Then DAMAC has introduced Riverside Apartments. We're talking about a price point of around 888,000 dirhams, and like most of the units were above 1 million dirhams. Definitely it depends on the size and what type of layouts you are getting. And the latest launch was in Capri 1 and Capri 2, which is completely sold out, and the starting prices for one bedroom was around 1.1 million dirhams and two bedrooms were starting from 1.9 million dirhams. But now, for the first time ever, DAMAC has introduced studio apartments as well. We are talking about a price point which is pretty much affordable, like 380 square feet of a studio starting from 628,000 dirhams is pretty much a good deal. Talking about the theme of the community, we are having 11 million square feet of a community with multiple entrances. We are having 7 clusters with townhouses and riverside apartments as well. So for the first time, we are going to be discussing studio apartments specifically. I'm also going to be attaching the layouts as well and the payment plan. Like we are coming up with Azure 1 and Azure 2. One is like ground plus 14 floors of a building which is facing the Emirates Road. Then we have a river in between, and onto the other side we are having a building that is ground plus 8 floors, which is going to be having the community view with the townhouses and villas view. So most of the views are open. We are talking about a river view, we are talking about a community view, which is pretty much good deal. Azure 1 I'm also going to be mentioning on the layout just for you guys. It is right at the entrance of DAMAC Riverside. Basically we are having 3 entrances, but for this one Azure 1 is right at the entrance, so you are getting the first building at the start of the community. And then right next to it you have a community center as well, you have mosque as well, and also the shopping mall is right next to Azure 2. Talking about the configuration of the building, we are having 720 units in total, in which like 224 are the studio apartments, and we are having one bedroom like 496 in total. And even the starting size for a studio is 380 square feet, but the average size is going to be around 420 square feet. Like most of the unit are like amenities facing or the riverside facing as well. Like one bedroom, like average size is going to be around 750 square feet, and the starting price is 1 million dirhams, but technically it won't be 1 million dirhams as my experience says it to be. Like most of the unit will be starting from 1.1 or even 1.2 million dirhams for a one bedroom apartment. The payment plan for DAMAC Riverside goes like 70-30, which is like 70% you are paying during construction and 30% at the time of handover. Even though like 20% you are paying as a down payment, and then this 0.25% monthly kicks in. But after every 6 months you are also paying 5% of bullet payment as well. Even though if we calculate the average, which comes around like 1.025% per month, which is pretty much a good deal. So talking about the numbers, like starting price for a studio is going to be around 628,000 dirhams, and 20% of your down payment is going to be 125,000 dirhams. For one bedroom, it is starting from 1 million dirhams, and like down payment of 20% is around like 200,000 dirhams. I'm also going to be attaching the conversions as well in terms of US dollars, in terms of pounds, PKR, and Indian rupees as well, just for you guys to have a better understanding. The launch of this building Azure is expected to be at the end of this month, and for now we are in EOI phase. We are talking about a EOI amount of studio is going to be 25,000 dirhams, and for one bedroom it is going to be around 50,000 dirham. And definitely if you need to have priority, you need to pay more. We are talking about 10% down payment or even 20% down payment you can pay just to jump up your token number, so that you can secure a better unit with much better view and much better price as well. That's it for now, but at the end I will say like studio apartments are pretty much hard deal. We are talking about a price point from 628,000 dirham from a developer like DAMAC, and definitely these units are going to be sold out in day one. So if you need to ask anything, just send me a WhatsApp. I'm always up. See you in the next video. Until then, goodbye.